Howdy doody folks, my name's DeKaylee and I am your ghostess with the mostest. Today I am going to be creating this, how do I even describe it? I have plans to create the world's biggest eyeliner, so big that it wraps around the back of my head, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I shaved my head down all the way to prep for this, and although I hate my head being shaved all the way down, I just keep creating drag looks that require it, so I don't know why I keep doing that to myself. We are gonna go ahead and just get started on this humongous eyeliner look. So big, it wraps around the back of my head. First, I'm gonna get started with Ben Nye, this foundation stick. Never used this. I always use foundations that I have to put on with my fingers, so. And then I've also got a Kimchi beauty sponge. I've never used stick foundations. I just found that Ben Nye is the best foundation for me. I think it just works really well for my skin. I have just always used like these little pots. And I'm very thankful that they finally came out with a stick foundation. It's gonna be really helpful, like obviously bringing it behind my head. Love this beauty sponge. It's really soft. Thanks, Kimchi, putting out a really nice beauty sponge. I can already tell I am going to get an arm workout from like wrapping around my head a bunch. By the end of this, I'm gonna look like SpongeBob when he puts like the inflatable arms on. I hope people know what I'm talking about. I guess I should apply my foundation all the way around my head and just get it over with. Also, for the love of God, if you are going to do your ears, please do everyone a favor. This is a pro tip. Clean in your ears and around them. You've got to get a Q-tip before you start your makeup look. Just get on the inside of your ears and take away any wax, because you don't want wax getting on your beauty blender. That like would be horrifying. So next, I'm gonna add a little bit of contour. Again, I don't know what I'm doing with this. Ooh. That was not even. Now when I do natural skin, I like a gray versus like a warm brown because I like to look dead, I guess. And because my face is so round, I've really got a contour in structure to my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some big highlights, and I always use this Ben Nye Clown White Light. So I'm just gonna really bring that highlight back just because we want to angle everything back with the eyeliner. So Rachel has informed me that the back of my head is not quite as blended as I assumed it was, so Rachel's gonna help me blend it. Put your chin down, gotta get in that crease of yours. Which chin? Your back chin. Yeah. Ew. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yep. Oh. Alright, so now we're gonna powder all this. Powder the back of my head using Coty powder and Ben Nye Super White. I just mix them half and half. Do not try this at home, kids. If you're a goblin and you have stretched ears, set your earlobes. We're contouring with Ben Nye Taupe, pressed eyeshadow. We're just patting out the sides of the contour. And then I'm gonna take Super White again. We're just gonna add that just to the highlights. I don't really do natural colors anymore. Typically I just do like a fun color as my foundation, so this is actually, it's kind of a nice breather to get back to like a neutral face. So now I think it's kind of the moment of truth where we start doing the eyeliner, but this is the hardest part every time, is just putting in this new eyeliner illusion. Why do I do this to myself? Just roughly fill that in. I'm sorry, but I'm doing this with this ruler because this is a very difficult look. If someone else can freehand this, good for you. But I can't. This is so ridiculous. Why? Why am I doing this? And then I kind of want to do a cut crease in there too. I'm going to start blending things out with black. I'm using the best black in the entire world. It is Sugar Pill Bulletproof. However, we need to load up on powder because I do not want to ruin any of this. We are going to start packing it on. Just look at that, it's beautiful. It's just basically like pure charcoal. So I'm gonna have Rachel help me do the eyeliner. Here, grab me this. Oh yeah, hold on, hold it there. Wait, before you start.
No, center. Let me just mark the center.
Ah,
shut up.
Wait, what on earth? Why didn't you use the ruler at all?
Because I can eyeball.
You no, not
Shut up. It's fine. It looks great.
Get out of my sight. You're banished.
You're banished.
We're gonna start blending out the black. So I think I'm gonna start by going in with Slow Dive. This is the C1 palette. This is the pink palette. Just pack that in. This is like such a nice, rich blue color. I really like this. Bring it all the way back. Now I'm gonna blend that out with 8-Bit from the Sugar Pill Fun Size palette, which was this like periwinkle blue. I really like these colors together because they're very like, kind of like a purpley blue. It's really pretty. Now I'm gonna start to cut in the crease and in my eye illusion with the same Ben Nye Clown White Lite. So I'm just using a small flat brush. So we're just filling in the eye. I think now I'm gonna add like a baggy under eye. Why not? Excuse you, sir. You say sorry and then you just keep doing it. Oh, sorry. Now I'm taking Baby Doll and I'm blending out that blue. I just took Undone, this purpley color, and just used that to kind of blend out into my nose contour and under my new eye bags. I think next we're going to start to add glitter because it's about that time. I'm just using Vega from the Urban Decay Moondust. I'm going to pack that in where I've got the deeper blues. We're going to use Sugar Pill Lumi, and to apply that I'm going to do my handy dandy Ben Nye glitter glue. Beautiful. That's really pretty. Oh my god. The Kimchi Glam Tears in Opal. I'm just gonna throw some of that on as my highlight. I think it took off my foundation. We'll throw on some chunky glitter and call it a day. I'm gonna start putting on a lip. Lock in the shapes. I'm using, what color is this? This is Sugar Pill Vertigo. What do you think of this color so far?
Hold the gray up over the top. I like that better.
Actually, I kind of like this. I like where this is going. I feel like I'm a character in Dune. It's kind of blending out these edges. With that, I think it was Undone. I'm gonna take my Epic ink liner and I'm gonna reline my crease. Now I'm gonna add some Saphyre glitter. This is Hades. The C1 palette again and take Baby Doll. Needs glitter. Surprise. This is Glitter My World Atlas Dazzle. I'm gonna take that and put that on my eyelids. Putting on my lash. We're just letting the glue get a little tacky, like myself. And I always try to like straighten the lash band. I feel like I'm playing a harmonica. Now I think I'm going to take these Lavender Boutique lashes. I'm just going to take these and layer these on top of these lashes, and I'm going to kind of bring them into the inner corner ever so gently. I'm just going to try like blending it out. Oh my god, this is so hard. My hand cannot compute. So this is the part that I was really afraid of doing. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna try like blending it out with maybe a bigger brush. Oh, I have to do fake highlights with my NYX white liquid liner. The thing about the world's biggest eyeliner is, why did I decide this was a good idea? I feel like I have 12 lines on the back of my head. Oh my god, I think it's like super wobbly. It's kind of funny at this point. So you can see the eyeliner again, but I don't I don't think it's straight. We're gonna try to blush the back of my head with this blue color. So I think the look is complete. I'm sure it's a little wonky, but there's a first time for everything. I'm gonna go ahead and get a wig on, which probably seems pointless because I literally just did makeup that wraps around the back of my head. Why would I put a wig on? And then I'm gonna get some kind of outfit on, and we're done. So I got the idea to do the world's biggest eyeliner basically because I kept seeing people do like bigger and bigger and bigger eyeliner, but I had never seen anyone do eyeliner that was so big it wrapped around the back of their head. So that's the inspiration for this look today. I'm sure someone could destroy the world's biggest graphic liner, but I am not the person to do that. I do like how this turned out. I love the colors with the wig. The wig was styled by Orion Story. It was styled based on an online KYNE wig photo, like a big like 80s crimped wig or something. I think Orion did a fabulous job because I can't do this with wigs. I'll link Orion's Instagram and that tutorial that this wig was based on below. I am going to challenge all the bald drag artists and anyone who wants to put on a bald cap to do this because it was really difficult. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna challenge Bob the Drag Queen, Kimchi, Sasha Velour, Vander Von Odd, Trixie Mattel, Hollow Eve, anyone who's bald, anyone I'm forgetting, please try this look out because I want to see other people's interpretation. It was very difficult to do. So you can check out all of my social media, my Threadless and Etsy shops, all that jazz. I will link below. I'm trying to post every other week right now. Subscribe if you want to see some weird drag makeup tutorial every other week. That's everything. So thank you so much for watching. Ta-ta, bye-bye.